Find the points of intersection of these two curves. It's clearly looking at the diagram, which I know we're moving on to B, but it's these 2 points here. It's when the y values of each are the same. And so what we can do is set x squared minus 2x plus 1 equal to minus x squared plus 6x minus 5. Rearrange, so it's going to be 2x squared minus 8x plus 6 equals 0. Divide through by 2 and factorize. So x1 is equal to 1, and then y1, I'm going to have to put it back in a second. x2 is going to equal 3, y2, put it back in there as well. So 1 squared minus 2 times 1 plus 1 gives 0. Okay, that's clearly going to be this point here. And then when I put 3 in, I'm going to get 9 minus 6, that's 3, plus 1, I'm going to get 4. And yeah, maybe I'll write them down. I've written them on the diagram, so I think I'm absolutely fine here. Right, they talk about the diagram now, and then they ask to draw the line y equals 2x minus 2. So I'm going to see what happens when x is 1. Gee, let me do this in a different color, sorry. Right, when x is 1, I'm actually going to get 0. Okay, so that means it's going to go through here. And when x is 3, I'm going to get 6 minus 2, I'm going to get 4. So the straight line is going to pass through these 2 points. Okay, something like that. It doesn't say to label the y-intercept, but it's going to be minus 2. Right, then we're asked to show on our diagram the region of the xy plane where all 3 of these inequalities are satisfied, indicating the region with the letter R. So we've got the x squared. I didn't actually identify them at the start. I'm going to label them now. So we've got the positive quadratic here. This one is y equals x squared minus 2x plus 1. So I'm looking for all the points that are above this curve. And then this arch curve, upside down quadratic, sad quadratic, is going to be the y equals minus x squared plus 6x minus 5. So then I'm looking for less than, it's going to be below here. Okay, and we've narrowed it down to this little section where they overlap. The only thing we've got to do now is look at y is less than or equal to 2x minus 2. And that's going to be below this line. So we need to show it. I'm going to shade it in. And then just write capital R and sort of point to it. Maybe point to it with a different color arrow than red though. Okay, there we go.